Hello students, today let us study chapter 1 Introduction to PowerPoint. In your lower classes, you would have recited a poem or you would have said any story or you have spoken some topic in your class. Have you noticed that your friends could not understand it better? When you showed a picture in a flashcard or used a prop while talking to them, so to understand a concept better, we need to combine verbal and visual communication in the optimal way. Presentation helps us to do that. So, when you show it in the presentation, the the audience can understand the subject which you're trying to tell them. What is presentation? Presentation is the process of presenting a topic to an audience. So, presentation it is a process you're presenting some topic to the audience. It is an informative or instructional talk which usually includes visuals to explain the topics. It may be any information or you're instructing anyone. So, when it includes visuals that when they can see what you're trying to explain, they can understand better. Maybe some of your teachers in your online class they're using these presentation to explain the lessons. Companies and organizations often utilize business presentation for advertising a product, for training or for team discussions. So in companies and organizations they use this presentation for advertising a product, for team discussions, in many activities. Next, presentation software. Presentation software is a computer software package used to show information normally in the form of a slideshow. This means it has a software, the computer has a software package which is used to show information in a form of a slide. Slideshow means one slide after the other slide. So let us see what a slide is. A slide is a single page of presentation. It can contain text, audio, video, images, charts, diagrams, etc. So this single page is a slide in the presentation software. It can have text, it can have audios, videos, images, charts, diagrams, and many more things. Presentation software mostly includes three major functions: an editor that allows text to be inserted and formatted, a method for inserting and manipulating graphic images, a slideshow system to display the content. So, this presentation software includes three major functions. One is an editor that allows to insert and do any editings for the text, and one more, the method for inserting and changing in any graphic images, and a system to display the contents. So, how the presentation is executed. Once the presentation is created and saved in the computer, the presenter uses a projector to display the slideshow upon to a screen that everyone can see. Presentations are presented one slide at a time, explaining the topics using graphics or text with bullet points on the slide and then moving to the next slide until all the slides are shown. So, the presentation which you have created and saved in your computer, that is showed to the audience through a projector on a screen. This presentation is showed one slide after the other slide. So this continues one after the other until all the slides are been presented. So this slide can have as said before, images, charts, text, audio, videos, and these texts are written with the bullet points. Microsoft PowerPoint and Apple's Keynote are the two best known commercial presentations software application in the market. So Microsoft PowerPoint and Apple's Keynote, these two are the very majorly used presentation software. In your laboratories we use Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is the presentation software of the Microsoft Office suite. So this is the software for the this is the software used for presentation. It is built by the Microsoft Office suite. It is used to create, edit, view, and print presentation in the form of slides. So this presentation allows to create any editings in view, print. You can take the printout of that presentation in the form of slides. The presentation can be viewed in the form of slideshow in the computer or on a screen. So this presentation which you have created and saved, this can be presented using a screen or on the computer. You can show in the computer also, or you can to visible many people, you connect it to a projector and give the presentation. MS PowerPoint. So this Microsoft Microsoft. So this MS PowerPoint allows you to combine text, graphics, and multimedia content to create professional presentations. It can be used in business and school for discussing a topic or for teaching. So this presentation software, it allows you to use text graphics and text graphics, images, charts, diagrams, text, audios, videos, and many more things like that. It allows you to use all those things to create presentation. It is used in business field and in your schools for discussing the topics. The presentation created in Microsoft PowerPoint 2007 is saved with the file extension .pptx. So this is very important. The PPT, that is, the presentation is saved in the extension .pptx. PPTX means PowerPoint presentation extension. This is. Next, what are the features of MS PowerPoint? MS PowerPoint displays slides with text, audio, video, and images. So this software allows you to create text, audio, video, and images. It allows the presentation to be edited, printed, or projected. So the presentation which you have created and saved in your computer, you can edit it, you can take a printout of it, or you can connect to a projector and show it in a big screen. It contains ready-made design templates and themes to suit different purposes. It has many templates and themes, like for your background, animations, and many things. It has ready-made designs for different purpose. It allows customizing the size of the presentation based on the projector or screen. So it allows you can change the size if you need a larger screen or a smaller screen, you can change according to the requirement. It allows user to specify speed, animation and background sound for the slideshow. So you can specify the speed, like at what, when you give a slideshow, at what time the next slide should appear, at what time, after what time it should appear. So that is speed you have to mention. Animation, so you can do first just a text, when you enter on the keyboard, enter first only the heading, next when you give an enter, the next text. So like that you can give an animation, and you can give background sounds for the slideshow. We can save the presentation in different file formats like PDF, web page, image, etc. According to your requirement, you can save the PPTs in the form of PDF, web page and image. First it will automatically saved in the extension .pptx. If you require it in the form of PDF or an image, you have to give it as save as. This will be done in your labs. Thank you, students.